Good morning. Today we will discuss about cyber and nursing. In this, we will discuss about the introduction of cyber and nursing, internet related things, how cybercrime happens, how severe it is, how to prevent it. Cyber and nursing. Nurses play an essential part of the healthcare system as they provide care for patient and family members at different levels. Nurses have several roles in using the internet to gain information and when working to get patients' personal health related issues. Nurses as well as nursing students they need to be knowledgeable about online health information resources and able to evaluate relevant information online in order to assist patient and patient family members. When it comes to healthcare field, internet related things are increases day by day. So heart monitoring implants, infusion pumps, pacemakers, insulin pump, cochlear implants, remote patient monitoring that is RPM is a telehealth is a type of healthcare. This information are often delivered to a physician's office by a software application which will be installed on smartphone or a tablet. Electronic health record that is EHR. So this is a type of record in the computer where we will fill all the information of the patient regarding to their diagnosis, their treatment, when the assessment is going on. So you can see the inspection, auscultation and palpation of the digestive system. So this will in this sheets we will fill all the information of patient therapy, patient treatment. It is a new technology enabling health system evolution. EHR is a set of components that forms a mechanism by which patient records are created, used, stored, and retrieved and located in a healthcare setting. ESR data masking help to restrict the amount of information accessed by external bodies by researchers, health insurance agencies. An EHR is using primarily for purposes of planning patient care, documenting the delivery of care, and assessing the outcome of care. Security in EHR can be seriously threatened by hackers, viruses, and worms. In today's digital society, concern about the privacy and security of private data are constantly increasing, especially in the healthcare setting. Healthcare staff should be aware of the society measures, security measures, need to protect their patient data. How cybercrime happens. Many cyber attacks begin when someone clicks on what appears to be an innocent link, means the unknown source or unknown link. This click can lead to a virus that infect software and reproduce copies of itself when the software is opened. Worms that infect software and spreads copies without the user taking actions. Trojan that appears to be safe software but contains malware that acts when downloaded and opened. Ransomware is malware that keeps users from accessing the system or device or encrypt files until a fee has been paid. Rootkit hides malware from antivirus detection and removal programs. Adware produces a script or code that automatically downloads malware. Sometimes a user is offered a malware removal tool for fake malware, but it's really a plot or a play to install a Trojan or ransomware. How severe it is. So, most importantly, patient safety and care delivery may also be jeopardized. Losing access to medical records and life saving medical devices, such as when a ransomware virus holds them hostage, will deter your ability to effectively care for your patients. Hackers' access to provide patients' data not only opens the door for them to steal the information, but also to either intentionally or unintentionally alter the data, which could lead to serious effects on patient health and outcome. So here we can see some of the securities issues in the organizations. 80% of the providers have experienced one or more significant security incidences. 77% of providers identify phishing as a top threat. 67% of providers identify viruses and malware as a top threat. What healthcare organizations can do. For this, regular conductive, accurate and thorough risk assessment, encrypt data at rest and in motion, use multi-factor authentication, secure or wireless communication, educate the workforce about good actions and decisions that positively impact the organization's security posture, cultivate corporate culture to embrace cybersecurity as a business enable for the organization, be prepared for natural and man-made disasters, including extreme weathers and threats such as ransomware. If you see something, what workforce members can do. Report suspicious activity or behavior right away to the IT department's help desk. Check with your IT department before using shadow IT or free software. When in doubt, throw it out by disregarding emails, online ads, and web pages link that seems suspicious. Disable or restrict web plug-ins and extensions whenever possible and regular update plug-ins and extensions that are used. Always physically safeguard your computer devices to prevent loss and theft. Never leave it unattended. One user account, one user. Do not share your account with anyone else. Log out of your accounts or log your devices when not in the use. Invite changes, let it make wonders in our profession. Thank you.